This video concentrates on adding together whole numbers, just doing adding up sums. If we've got 748 plus 236, the way to do it is to write down the biggest number first, that's the 748. Give yourself plenty of space, and then the other number, 236, write that down so that it lines up perfectly in columns. And you've always got to end up with the same columns on the right, so leveled off on the right. And then we're going to add these together, column by column. So 8 add 6. So start at 8 and go up 6, you get to 14. Now you can't put 14 in here because there's only space here for one single number. So the 14 goes in as 1 and the 4. There's your 14. This 1 is what we call a carry 1, and it's come into the next column. 4 add 3 is 7, and the 1 down here makes 8. That column is done. Move over to the next column. 7 add 2 is 9. That's it. The answer to that question is 984. If we look at another sum, if we've got 503 and we're adding 2897, that's 2897. Start with the biggest number, so I'm going to write down my 2897. But when you write your 503 down, the next one, you can't just write it down here, because then there's a space over here. So you mustn't do it like that. Let's write the top number down again, the big number. When you write the second number down, you've got to make sure it's level off on the right. So the 503 goes in there, so there's something in the first column on both lines. You level it off on the right. Now we're going to do the adding up. 7 add 3 is 10. And just like before, 10 has to be split into the 1 and the 0. 9 add nothing is 9. Add that 1 down there is 10. That 10 has to be split up. 8 add 5 is 13. And that 1 makes 14. That has to be split up. And the 2 and the 1 down here make 3. So the final answer to that question was 3,400.